Hello, parents and students of Year 5. And in this video, I'm just going to show you very quickly how the students can benefit from IXL during the spring break. Just going to Google Classwork, their Google Classwork account, they're going to find, as usual, stream, classwork, people. All what they need to go to is just the classwork as they are used to, is just to review or to view all the topics and the things that are there on Google Classwork. Here they're going to find Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Um, in this, which is today, they're going to find the topic there, IXL. It's called IXL, Highly Recommended Topics for Spring Break. Once they open it and they press also View Assignment, they're going to find there, all the topics that I recommend that they review. You're gonna find the letter. This is how it's called on IXL. K5, it's just, this is the number of the lesson. It's K, the section K, lesson number 5 in section K. And it's called the right fractions in lowest terms. All right, to find this, I don't want them to go there and search for this lesson. So all what they need to do is just to go down a little bit on Google Classroom. We're still on Google Classroom. They're gonna find the link. So it's just here, right fractions in lowest terms. Once they click on it, it's going to open the questions that they are supposed to answer. Here, the next lesson is rounding. It's also here, rounding. Once they press here, they click on the link, it's going to open in a different window. All right, and here, IXL place value. So here also the third thing, and so on. I put there, I can't remember how many topics I put there, but it's just not all the topics that they took, of course, but many concepts that would be great if they get practiced and revised by the students during the spring break if they have time. As I said, that these are not a must. It's not a must that you do this, but it would be perfect if you can encourage the students to do it and if they practice it during the spring break. All right, let's open one of them together. For example, this is the first sheet or the first link. I'm going to open it. Here is IXL. If they are not signed in, please just make sure that they use the username and the password that is sent on ClassDojo. Each student has a different username and a password. They sign in, you're going to find it there at the top right corner here. Just writing the username and the password, signing in, then it's going to say welcome. Here it says welcome Ahmad Fadl. It's going to say their names there. All right, here is the question. Write 2/8 in lowest terms. If they get it right, for example, here, I'm going to write the right answer. It's 1/4. Submit. It's going to give them here, it says brilliant, which means that they got it right, and the score is here 10. If it says here, write 2/4 in lowest terms, this is the second question. I'm going to make this wrong, just to show you what happens if they write the wrong answer. I'm going to make it 3/4, and I'm going to submit it. It says to me here, sorry, it's incorrect. Your answer is wrong. And here is the reflection part. It gives you the feedback in four stages. The first stage here is just saying the correct answer. It says to you the correct answer is a half, 1/2. And then it explains, it shows you your answer, which was wrong, 3/4, and they call it your review. Down there are very important two more parts. Remember, the first section here is remember, and it explains to you how to simplify or to reduce fractions just in general. And the last part, it's how to solve this question step by step. So they don't need Mr. Ahmed anymore. Of course, I'm there for them. Whenever they need me, they're going to find me always there. But what I mean is that they need also to learn how to start teaching themselves. So here they're teaching themselves. We need to encourage them to do so. Once they understand, all right, now I got it, then once they press I got it, they move to the next question and they keep going. This is just one of the topics that they are practicing. Here are the rest of the links. You go there, here are all the links that they will benefit a lot from practicing during the spring break. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to text me either on Class Dojo or Google Classroom. Thank you and have a lovely spring break.